You may choose to manually raise exceptions due to a condition or a situation within your code, so that your code actually breaks or causes an exception to be raised. Here, I'm going to show you how you can raise an exception in Python. You are also able to create and process your own exceptions without having to use the ones that are part of the Python system. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You're able to raise your own exceptions. So I'm going to do, for example, I'm going to create a main process, and I'm going to say that this is going to open file1.txt, and then I'm going to say for line in my file handle, print line strip, like so. And I'm going to run main, go over to raise, and I'm going to do Python raise. And as you can see, it will process this file because it exists. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to create another procedure here, or another definition here of a process. I'm going to say read file, file name. We'll say fh open file name, return fh read lines, like so. And then I'm going to do right here I'm going to remove this line right here. I'm going to say for line in, and this is going to be read file, file1.txt, like so. Now, once I do this, and I run the process, now notice what I've done so far. I've created a read file method, and I'm passing it a file name, read file, and I'm passing it a file1.txt. Read file opens the file name, returns the lines. So this will return the lines, and then this, in this case, simply prints the lines. I go back to the command line and I run this. Everything runs exactly the way it was. However, what happens if I specify a file that doesn't exist? Like file X. Go over here, run this code, and it says file not found error, correct? Right here. No such file or directory, file x.txt. I don't really want that. I want to properly catch that error. So for that, I can go up here, and I can issue a try, like so, and then I can say accept IO error as E, and then I can say print cannot read file E, save that. Now what's going to happen is it's going to run that try block, and it's going to attempt to read the file, and when there's a problem, it's going to display the message. So when I run this, it says cannot read file, and then it displays no such file or directory, file x.txt. A lot more handled than what it was before.